Sean, I'm having trouble managing my employee in my company. They seem lack of motivation and will only do their minimal best so just they can get through the workday. I find it difficult sometimes to communicate with them, and sometimes it can be really tiring for me to micromanage them on every single things, and very often acting as a fireman, busy helping out to putting off the fire. Not to mention that I am afraid of losing my best employee. Seriously, I'm burning out. And I'm losing direction because I hardly have the quality time for strategic planning. So do you have any way to overcome this problem I'm facing right now?
Balkis, I can understand the pain you are going through right now. Those are common challenges for business owner. Now, to resolve your challenges, you can help your team to number one, find purpose in work. Take the time to explain the purpose behind the work they do and how it makes a difference in some way. And number two, recognize your team's great work. If their hard work isn't recognized, why would they continue to be a high-performing employee? And it is not just important to recognize great work. How you recognize your team's contribution has a significant impact too. Now, employee recognition isn't just an annual bonus at the end of the year. The rewards for personnel and team should be meaningfully and frequently awarded. Number three, set smarter goals and track the progress. Seeing how you have made visible progress will make your team feel good. It is also a clear indicator that their works are making a difference. And number four, celebrate results. And that is the reason why it is so important to setting measurable goals to provide opportunity to celebrate your team's hard work. Number five, share the big picture so that your teams understand how each of their efforts impact the organization, customer, and the communities. Number six, be transparent, as it is one of the best ways to encourage an atmosphere of trust among you and your team. And a team that trusts you will be more motivated and engaged with their work. You can also improve the workplace motivation further by encouraging teamwork, staying positive, having fun, loosen up, while focusing on generating results that matters. All these are proven formula for employees' autonomy, and your team will become incredibly motivated with zero communication barrier between employee and managers. They will have a strong sense of belonging in the company because they understand that the company's success will be beneficial to them. You will then have more time for strategic planning and enjoy growing the business better and larger. You may be interested to learn the art of motivating your team and use new systems and tools to grow and scale your business. Just click the button to start your free training session with me. I will see you there.